And it was a Labor Day weekend, so all the RV spots were reserved. So I went to Holiday Inn Express, checked in. I moved into the laundromat to do my laundry, and all the machines were occupied. Many of the machines were no longer moving. And I thought, well, somebody's left their clothing. And it said, do not abandon your clothing, don't leave it unattended. I'm like, well, the military default in the barracks for this situation is I take your stuff out of the dryer. Yep, it's dry. I take your stuff out of the washer, put it in the dryer. I even put change in. And I thought, well, somebody may appreciate that. Well, or not. It was the or not part. And a woman came in. She was grievously upset. And I unthinkingly applied the wrong model to this kind of thing. You touched my stuff. Well, yes, ma'am, you were blocking a public accommodation. Well, I had to go to the store. Well, yes, ma'am, but I have a meeting. But you touched my stuff. So I found herself in this circle. And I had a nascent understanding that maybe I was the problem here. I could not bring myself to apologize. I couldn't do it, which is an ego fault on me. It ramped up. You touched my stuff, but you were blocking accommodation, all the things. And finally she said, wait till my boyfriend hears about this. And then I had the thought, what time is it? It's time to leave. So I grabbed my stuff out of the washer and dryer and just left. Because I could just see the headlines the next day. 2 shots over laundry room dispute. It was time to leave.